Welcome to Make Life Smart. Here's a thought. Every time you get behind the wheel, you're trusting your memory, your word, and your luck to protect you if something goes wrong. No footage, no proof, just your version of events against someone else's. That's a gamble that a good dashcam eliminates completely. And in 2026, dashcams have gone somewhere most people haven't caught up with yet. 4K resolution, AI that thinks, and coverage angles that leave absolutely nothing out of frame. Today, we're looking at 5 of the most advanced ones on the market right now. So the question is, what's actually watching the road when you can't? Number 1. Triple View, Dual 4K, and it tells the full story of everything that happens on your drive. The 70mm T800 is built around one core idea, that a single camera pointed forward is leaving too much of your story untold. The T800 fixes that with a 3-camera system that covers your front, interior, and rear simultaneously, with 2 of those channels shooting in full 4K. The front camera captures the road ahead with the kind of clarity where you can read license plates, see road markings, and identify hazards at a distance that lower resolution cameras simply blur out. The rear camera brings that same 4K sharpness to what's happening behind you, the tailgater, the lane changer, the car that came out of nowhere at the junction. The interior camera adds a dimension that most dashcams completely ignore. It's watching inside the cabin, useful for rideshare drivers who need documentation of every passenger interaction, and for families who want to know what's happening in the back seat during long drives. The AI layer on the T800 is doing real work. It flags dangerous driving events automatically, harsh braking, sudden swerves, collision alerts, and timestamps them in the footage so you don't have to scrub through hours of recording to find the moment that matters. Parking mode activates when the engine is off, switching to motion detection so the T800 is still watching when you're not in the car. Hit and run in a car park? It caught it. Front, rear, interior. 4K where it counts. The full story, every drive. Number 2. THINKWARE built their best dashcam yet, and the pro market noticed immediately. THINKWARE has been one of the most respected names in dashcam engineering for years, and the U3000 Pro is the product that shows exactly why. This is a flagship device built for drivers who want professional-grade documentation without any compromise on quality, reliability, or intelligence. The 4K front camera is paired with a Sony Starvis 2 sensor, which is the sensor specification that separates serious dashcams from consumer ones. Starvis 2 is built for low light performance, which means the U3000 Pro is capturing clear, detailed footage in conditions where other cameras are producing grainy, unusable video. Night driving, underground car parks, dawn and dusk, this sensor handles all of it. The AI safety features go beyond basic event detection. The U3000 Pro includes forward collision warning, lane departure warning, and a front vehicle departure alert. So if the car ahead of you starts moving at a traffic light and you haven't noticed, it tells you. These are active safety assists running in real time, not just post-event recording tools. The built-in GPS logs your speed and location alongside every frame of footage, which adds a layer of legal credibility to your recordings that raw video alone doesn't provide. Speed data synchronized with video is the kind of evidence that holds up. Thermal management is something THINKWARE has engineered seriously here. The U3000 Pro is built to operate in extreme temperature ranges without overheating or shutting down, which is a real-world problem that cheaper dashcams fail on regularly. Sony Starvis 2, active AI safety, GPS verified. This is what professional looks like. Number 3. Crystal clear 4K, a design that disappears behind your rear-view mirror and intelligence that never switches off. The MIOFIVE earns attention first with its form factor. This is a dashcam that genuinely doesn't look like a dashcam once it's installed. The compact, clean design tucks behind your rear-view mirror in the way that keeps your windscreen uncluttered and your view unobstructed. It's there when you need what it recorded. Otherwise, it's invisible. But invisible doesn't mean passive. The MIOFIVE is running 4K UHD capture continuously, with a wide-angle lens that pulls any broad field of view without the fisheye distortion that makes wide-angle footage look warped and unprofessional. The image is sharp, natural, and detailed enough to capture license plates and road signs clearly in the frame. The AI driving assistance is integrated and active throughout every journey. Lane departure warnings, forward collision alerts, and driver fatigue detection. The MIOFIVE is monitoring the environment around you and your driving behavior simultaneously, and flagging anything that needs your attention before it becomes a problem. Night vision performance is strong. The sensor and processing combination handles low-light conditions well, maintaining footage quality through the kind of lighting situations where incidents are statistically more likely to occur. Cloud connectivity lets you access your footage remotely, useful if your car is parked somewhere and you get a notification of a parking incident. You can check the footage from your phone before you've even walked back to the car. Clean install, 4K clarity, always watching even when you're not there. Number 4. 5 cameras, 1 vehicle, 0 blind spots, and it's watching your baby too. The DRIVEYE is built for drivers who need complete vehicle coverage, and it delivers that with a 5-channel system that is genuinely comprehensive. Front, rear, left side, right side, and interior. Every angle of your vehicle is documented simultaneously in 4K on the primary channels. For families with young children, the baby monitor integration is the feature that sets this apart from every other dashcam in the category. The interior camera is positioned and tuned specifically for rear seat monitoring, so you can see your child in the back seat on the in-cabin display while you keep your eyes on the road. If something changes back there, you know without turning around. For commercial drivers and fleet vehicles, the 5-channel coverage eliminates the "I didn't see it" problem entirely. Side swipes in narrow streets, reversing incidents, what happened at the loading dock, everything is on camera from an angle that captures it clearly. The AI event detection runs across all 5 channels simultaneously, flagging incidents and timestamping them across whichever cameras captured the relevant angle. When you need to find footage from a specific moment, the system surfaces it rather than requiring you to manually review 5 separate feeds. Parking surveillance activates across all channels when the engine is off, turning your parked vehicle into a fully monitored space from every direction. 5 angles, 1 system, nothing and nobody left uncovered. Number 5. VIOFO stripped it back to what matters, and what's left is remarkably good. The VIOFO A329S is the dash cam for the driver who doesn't want to overthink it. No unnecessary features, no bloated app ecosystem, just a well-engineered 4K front and rear system that captures everything, stores it reliably, and stays out of your way. The Sony Starvis sensor is doing the heavy lifting on image quality. Sharp 4K capture up front with genuine low-light capability that holds up after dark. The rear camera is calibrated to match, so your footage looks consistent across both channels, rather than the mismatched quality you get from lesser dual-channel systems. GPS is built in, logging speed and location with every recording. The parking mode is hardwire capable for always-on monitoring. And the build quality has the solidity you expect from VIOFO, a brand that has quietly built a loyal following among drivers who care about reliability over flashiness. Setup is straightforward, footage retrieval is simple, and the image quality punches above its price point. No fuss, no fluff, just honest 4K that does exactly what you need. Thanks for watching Make Life Smart. Subscribe and stay ahead.